Hi guys, it's me again, Virgie. So, ayun, exploring YouTube, and I really want to do my Disciples Walk Diary. Siguro mainly I just want to let out din yung mga thoughts ko nasa isip ko. So parang it's all about me pala no? na channel. So, di naman. So, I just want to share with you guys some valuable insights and experiences then that I have encountered and realized with my walk with the Lord. I know my walk with the Lord is not perfect. And with all the thoughts that I have, sobrang overwhelming siya. So, paminsan may mga life lesson na tinuturo si Lord na ako mismo, kahit natutunan ko siya, as time passed by, nakakalimutan ko din. So, I really wanted to make a diary that will leave a footprint in the internet world, in the digital world. So, I'm really not confident in showing my face. If you can see from the first shorts that I had in here in this channel is, I'm using a filter for my, my face, which is the anime. And I really love anime way back when I was high school. And I feel confident na I will not be bashed with my face kung mag-anime filter ako. And ayun, hindi kayo magfo-focus sa face ko, but rather dun sa sasabihin ko. Or somehow, madidistract din kayo dun sa anime AI sa filter. Well, then again, at least hindi naman ako masasaktan kung yung AI yung ibabash nyo. Ayun, so as you can see, I want to be as honest and candid as I can be. So, nakikita nyo na I'm not that confident as well, especially with my physical look. But somehow I'm quite confident in the experiences that God let me experience. And I wanted to share it with you guys. And not just share with you, but also for me to someday look back and remember how God has been good and how faithful He has been to me. Iniisip ko palang lahat yun, naiiyak na uli ako. And somehow siguro, this channel will be, I don't know, in the future, kung hindi ko man magawa na sabihin lahat sa mga anak ko, kay Easy and Zizi, na how much I have been through as a mom, as an individual myself, na kung darating man sila dun sa mga experiences na I have been someday, I hope they will find gold nuggets in these videos. So it's not just for me to have an outlet, but also for other people who are willing to listen and who are willing to find treasures in what I will say, or they have just the luxury of time to listen to me. And also thirdly is for my children, na sana hindi ko makalimutan yung mga tinuro sa akin ni Lord and ma-share ko din sa kanila. So currently I'm in the parking lot after my duty. So I'm doing this not during my working time, but out of my working time. So yun, so being honest sa you guys, so we will not rob our workplaces with the precious time they're paying us. So ayun lang. I try to upload videos every day after work, and I hope you guys will enjoy, somehow benefit from the videos that I will upload, and hope that we'll enjoy walking together with the Lord. So ayun lang, and see you again to my next video. Bye!